You go
My
first.
favorite part, hands down, is my kitchen. It's because where I live and do all of my...
My favorite part is her kitchen too.
What was key was we've been in our house for 8.5 years, and being here for that long, we knew exactly what we wanted to do.
We really wanted to do our kitchen. You know, kitchen's her happy place and therefore my happy place. And so it really grew from there because we had to redo the floors, and the floors all touched the stairs. The stairs went up to upstairs, grew to the living room, took out a wall, went up the stairs, ended up in the bathrooms. We changed our laundry room to a mudroom, which was huge because everybody was walking through our laundry room, which is not the best.
I would say people's reactions to our renovation has been overwhelmingly positive.
A lot of wows.
A lot of wows. People were like, you need to put this in a magazine, which we're like, well, thanks.
Even after the project was over, they've continued to come back, right? Like things that we've seen or things that have popped up, or because we did all this and then all of a sudden it dropped down to 20 degrees and we've called and like a little scared that maybe nobody would come out, and they were out within 2 days.
Out of 5 stars, I would...
6.
Yeah, I'd give them a 5.
We don't
I really would.
we don't have a ton of experience with contractors,
Right.
but we've heard the horror stories, and that's not what we experienced. So
Yeah.
no, we would absolutely recommend Atlanta Curb Appeal, and I really think it comes down to a couple of very basic things, which is fairness, price, communication, and quality of work, right? And I could add speed, right?
Professionalism, like they're prompt and on time. They were reliable.
Okay, more than 3.
Yeah, they were great all around. Like literally, I can't say one bad thing.